Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. Today is the first day of December. It is a Friday. We have PATH popping up here. Number 3 overall position at TradeAlgo.com on our main dashboard for our users and our subscribers to take advantage of. AI doing all the heavy lifting for them. 852% increase in institutional bullish pressure. The stock ends up jumping more than 10% as a result. If we go to our alerts tab, it's important to have information with speed and transparency, which is why we use private exchanges in lightning fast machine learning technology to be able to pick up at 9:34 a.m. more than 12 times the institutional bullish pressure that's normally seen there. So basically what our technology is seeing is that typically only $91 million of path stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day total average. However, today alone, Friday, December the 1st, $776 million. So hundreds of millions of dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the largest and most influential market makers. Now it makes a little bit more sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. If you had followed smart money transactions and done call options, huge list of triple-digit returns here. Let's say that, for example, you had done the $24 call option. This is the 9:35 a.m. candle. Options opened at about 20 cents. This would have been a minute after it popped up on the alerts tab, and then of course it goes to the main dashboard for people to take advantage of. Maximum of a 618% return. However, it's not expected that you get every single last penny out of it or every single last percentage. It's very unlikely that that happens. The market moves very quick. It's about having access to the data and having the information by using TradeAlgo and upgrading the way you see the market by using algos and AI, as opposed to getting the information over here after it's already moved. For example, maybe you didn't even enter into the trade until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and then exited at a nice 100% return. Still a great day. Get your data down here. Don't chase it over here. And it wasn't just PATH. There are many other opportunities. We don't have time to go through all of them, so let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. Not only do our users have the convenience of having the AI processors do most of the heavy lifting for them, we also send out alerts directly to our users on the entry and exit of specific positions. So for people who are busy with work or newer to trading, maybe just want the sense of community, whatever the case may be, here's an example of what an alert looks like. This was in our live trading room, 9:31 a.m. today, MRVL $53 call option at 30 cents per contract. You have everything you need right there. So we know that it's December the 1st contract, Marvel 53 call at 30 cents. Let's go check out and see how that did following institutional smart money transactions. We see a lot of bullish volume in MRVL, so we send out the alert. We are going to go to the 15-minute chart because we all are actually, for this one, we'll probably use the 3-minute. That one might be a little bit easier to be able to kind of see how things moved. This right here is the 30-cent marker of the contract. So at its maximum, they were up about 200%. However, we send out alerts when there's the management of the position and the exit of the position as well. So we let people know a little bit later on, hey, we're getting half off the table at a quick 32% return. We fully exited the position there at an 80% gain from 30 cents to 52 cents. Again, like I said, it's not about squeaking all 216%. If you got a direct alert to you with an 80% return, that's a great way to wrap up your week. Congratulations to everyone who is sharing success stories with us saying, hey, thanks, made 100% on that $53 call option that you sent out. This user makes a great return as well. This user in with a 279% gain, getting in a little bit later at a lower contract price. This user, 50% return, 86% return for this user. To go ahead and wrap up the week, guys, one more example would be Airbnb. Let's go to our large cap space. We can see Airbnb here with an almost 200% increase in bullish volume. Stock ends up jumping nearly 8% as a result, which is monstrous for a huge company like Airbnb. Identified at 10:54 a.m. There are always great opportunities throughout the day. It doesn't have to be identified in the pre-market. Doesn't need to be at 9:34. Sometimes it could be at 10:54 a.m. and that's still a great trading opportunity. If we go to Airbnb's chart and we go to the call options, look at the triple, quadruple, and quintuple digit returns. You ever seen a 20,000% return before? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. We know that our AI picked it up at 10:54, which is right down here when the options were 5 cents. So that means at its maximum, it was up 4,000% with plenty of time to make a great move. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Congratulations to some of our users from other trades who were saying things like, hey, made an over 100% return on Starbucks for an overnight hold. This user made 100% on Intel today, INTC. This user finishing out their week on AFRM. If you want to go ahead and watch our videos from earlier this week on our YouTube channel, AFRM popped up earlier on, I believe it was Monday or Tuesday and Wednesday, and this user made an over 600% return on AFRM. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.